that taking? You did it for? Is it video?
Yeah, it's alright.
Nice.
I cannot be adapter for iPhone.
It's good. You can even screenshot that, can't you? When you do a video, you do screenshots.
Yeah, you can screenshot.
Yeah, it's good. Good idea.
So I just take a short video and then.
How do you stick it on there? How's this? Is it magnet?
No, it's
It's
something
made
like
like
a
a-
pipe, water pipe,
Oh.
and then
keep it there, yeah.
Right.
Makes sense.
because I cannot find the adapter, and one thing is very expensive, and I found it in the Amazon or something.
Really?
like
Right.
that, yeah, and then oh my god, I have to create one myself.
Yeah, that's great. Got to adapt to it, haven't you?
Mm.
Makes sense.
So normally we heard like a parakeets and woodpecker.
Right.
What is this? That is local people's tunes that they are very
Oh, is it? Oh,
for local cemetery. Before it got more tree than this, and every time we came it's very
silver too.
Oh yeah. You can see amongst it.
and look like noise. Because from here to the temple, we're gonna spend more than 30 minutes to get there, and oh, grey-headed can refly kite.
The what? Where?
It's around the area.
You can hear it.
Yeah, it's